After consecutive sniper attacks at the Congress, now the Prime Minister is gunning for the INDI bloc. It isn't news anymore that the constituents of INDI have been at each other's throats over multiple issues, most prominent of them being seat sharing and ticket allocation for Lok Sabha elections. On several occasions, most recently in Ranchi and Amroha, the behind-the-scenes differences have played out in full public view. Now, the Prime Minister picked up on another tussle for leadership for the answer to Modi versus who. Referring to the ongoing uncertainty in the anti-BJP grouping over who should be the face of the alliance, the Prime Minister said the opposition is contemplating 1 year, 1 PM formula. He said that while it is crystal clear as to who will be holding the reins if there is clarity in the BJP over the leadership issue, the same is missing in the INDI grouping. The Prime Minister was addressing an election rally in Betul Lok Sabha seat in Madhya Pradesh and asked if voters were ready for 5 PMs in 5 years.
कहा जा रहा है कि ये लोग 1 ईयर 1 PM फॉर्मूला बना रहे हैं, यानी 1 साल 1 PM, दूसरे साल दूसरा PM, तीसरे साल तीसरा PM, चौथे साल चौथा PM, 5वें साल 5वां PM। बताओ भाई क्या होगा देश का? क्या होगा? क्या होगा मुझे बताइए? देश बचेगा क्या? आपका सपना बचेगा क्या? आपके बच्चों का भविष्य बचेगा क्या? इसका मतलब ये PM की कुर्सी का भी ऑक्शन करने लग गए हैं। भाई बताइए, जो बोली बोलेगा 1 साल बैठेगा और मजा क्या होगा फिर? जो एक ऊपर बैठेगा ना, 4 लोगों को कुर्सी की टांग पकड़ करके बैठ जाएंगे।
Now, the Prime Minister's assertions were based on reports in news agency ANI that suggested that top rung in opposition alliance was brainstorming over formulas of power sharing in the likelihood of coming to power. While the Prime Minister dismissed the probability, dubbing it daydreaming, the biggest constituent of anti-BJP alliance called it frustration of a leader staring at impending poll loss.
Prime Minister Modi in Betul, which is in Madhya Pradesh, has given a statement that the India alliance had decided to have 1 PM, 1 year, 1 PM formula has been made. I just fail to understand that where from did he get this information. After the first phase, he is totally frustrated, and in the second phase, the India alliance is coming to power handsomely.
So you've heard it from the opposition essentially downplay the Prime Minister's assertion. Also question as to where the Prime Minister did learn about the same. A day after the Prime Minister claimed the opposition is contemplating 1 year, 1 PM formula, given the fact there is no clarity over PM face within INDI, BJP continues to up the ante. They've continuously been mocking INDI and they've said that the opposition will go for rotational prime ministerialship.
PM नरेंद्र मोदी ने इंडी अलायंस की सारी पोल खोल दी। ये इंडी अलायंस का देश के लिए कोई मिशन विशन नहीं है। ये केवल और केवल अपना अपना करप्शन, अपना अपना डायनेस्टी का प्रोफेशन, अपना अपना एम्बिशन और अपना अपना कंफ्यूजन लेकर आए हैं। और कंफ्यूजन और एम्बिशन की ऐसी लड़ाई है कि हमने तो देखा ही है, रांची में चेयर, कुर्सियां, टेबल, लाठी एक दूसरे पर फेंकी। एक नया जो इनका राज है वो सामने आया है। ये तो प्रधानमंत्री की चेयर को भी ऑक्शन करना चाहते हैं।
Let me go across to Mohit joining us with more details. Perhaps the BJP wouldn't be in a position to raise these questions if the INDI bloc had already announced a PM phase, but there's been so much tussle within the INDI grouping since day one, be it seat sharing, be it who's going to be the convener or the PM face for that matter. And given that they've decided to keep this option for once they come to power, if they come to power, and that's perhaps given the BJP this opportunity today, Mohit.
Well, yes, Katrine, and you see, since the inception of India Bloc, we have seen the main target of the BJP towards the India Bloc is that who exactly is their leader, who leads this coalition of the opposition parties, because BJP says that the only glue that holds the India Bloc together is of corruption and dynasty. They do not have any common minimum program for the country. They do not have any ideology for the country, and they have had hatred towards Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Hence, they are together. But if they win the election, which the BJP says they will not, who exactly would be their leader? Now, when this question was being asked to Mallikarjun Kharge a few months ago, Katrine, he stated that as of now, they are concentrating on winning the elections, and after that, the face would be revealed. But given the fact that how there has been various tussles in the India Bloc, in West Bengal, it's Congress versus the TMC. In Kerala, it's Pinarayi Vijayan versus Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. We see that how Aam Aadmi Party and the other leaders of the opposition parties are not on same page when it comes to the electoral politics. So we see that there's a tussle going in the India Bloc, and that is where Prime Minister Narendra Modi has attacked the opposition parties, saying that while on one hand you have the face of Prime Minister Narendra Modi who comes to you with a report card of 10 years, on the other hand, India Bloc does not know that who exactly is their Prime Minister's face. He says that they have decided a formula, and he has cited news report that for 1 year there will be another 1 PM, for another year there will be another PM. So when 1 PM for the first year will take the chair, all the four will be waiting, and these he termed as Mungeri Lal ke Haseen Sapne. But he stated that these are not Haseen Sapne, but this will be disastrous for the country. They are auctioning the PM's chair. So clearly a very strong attack coming in from the Prime Minister, while the opposition parties clearly say
Well,
that
the BJP may just be attempting at a narrative here. The truth also is, Mohit, that there are regional differences that the INDI constituents have not been able to iron out. If we talk about Kerala, we talk about West Bengal, we talk about Punjab, the story has been ongoing. It's not changed since day one of the constitution of the INDI grouping.
Well, Katrine, and that is the strategy of the BJP. It's a very well of strategy by the BJP to attack the opposition parties, that who exactly leads an alliance. Now, when it comes to NDA, BJP clearly leads the NDA, and their face is Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and on his face, BJP says that ab ki baar 400 par. But when it comes to the opposition parties, they themselves are fighting in their respective states amongst each other. They're making statement against their senior leaders. So how exactly they will form up this coalition, and how exactly they will decide their leader, and who exactly will be the Prime Minister, that is where Prime Minister is hitting out at the opposition parties. And as you rightly said, politics is a big game of perception and narrative. So that's a narrative and a strategy that has been adopted by the BJP for a long time, when they say that these leaders do not have a common agenda. The only glue that sticks them together is of corruption, dynasty, and hatred towards Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and hence who exactly will be the PM face. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi clearly, and he gave a reference to himself. He says that I am here with the report card of my 10 years of work in front of you. But when it comes to the opposition parties, they are devising a formula which says that 1 PM, 1 year. So next
the opposition, of course, is rebutted. They say that this comes from lack of facts, and the Prime Minister is once again diverting the attention of the people from real issues which should be put on the table and perhaps discussed, and a report card is indeed needed on those very